Hey guys, K-Series Matt here, and today you're watching my first YouTube video. And in this video, I am going to be explaining and showing you guys how to install Civic Type R FL5 seats into a 9th Gen Civic Si. So this will fit 2012 through 2015 Civic SIs, both coupe and sedans. Enjoy. So before we dive into exactly how I made these work, my goal with these seats when I first bought them was to see if this was even possible and to make them fully bolt in without, having to weld on the floor or drill new holes. Allow the seat rails to move back and forth freely as they would stock, and possibly get so the driver's seat will always have a seat adjustment so it can go up and down to still retain that and to allow it the airbags, the SRS system to fully function. So I just pulled out the front seat on my 2013 Civic Si 4-door, and now I'm putting it on the table and going over basically the under part of it where the rails attach to the frame to see where I can kind of cut or unbolt to get it so at least I can line up with the FL5 seats. Side note, a front driver seat from a 2022 Pilot fits and will match the bolt pattern on a 9th Gen Civic Si. I don't know why, but it works. We're not going to use it, but it does work. Huge shout out to Paradise Racing over here in Maryland. Shout out to Luis, Twinkie, and Keon for helping me out and getting this project complete. You see what I mean though? If we push it all the way to this side, oh, that shit's hot.
What do you mean by push it? Like this? That's
Right,
far
I
as
just
you
broke.
go. You gotta look something. I just thought about that. It's on the side.
No, the rails are individual. So we good.
Water straight onto it.
What do you think?
Can you get your finger and put a bolt on it?
Oh, on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. That's how you take them off. Same thing with this.
Bolt it down
This is
and
about this side.
bolt it down and there we can see what we'll do on that side.
We're trying to get the rails from the 9th Gen seat to fit onto the FL5 seat, but the FL5 seats are about 1.5 inches wider. So we're basically trying to fab up a little bracket so everything can bolt in. So this way it actually is still removable. So now when I bolt this up, I can just put it right behind this.
So you're an asshole.
What?
Move.
Oh, bro, this. Also, use safety glasses and PPE because accidents happen, but it'd be like that. So we were able to separate the rails off of the FL5 seat, and so now we're basically just making a flat surface so we can weld on the 9th Gen seats and drill through so they can bolt on and still allow the rails to pass through so the seat can move back and forth and everything clears.
it back, yeah. Put a.
Put it where the holes at when you're in stock feet. Mark it and put a hole to it so you can put nothing bolt.
Nice. Nice.
Now that we fabbed the brackets onto the side of the seat of the rail, now it's time to just put it back together and test fit it in the car. Alright, so for future reference, measure twice, cut once. Yeah, that bullshit, but measure once, cut once. We got it on the first try. And now we're moving on to the driver's side. Okay, so the driver's side is going to be ultimately a little different. So the rail won't bolt in at all because it is part of the frame. So what we're doing is basically cutting the feet and the ends off of the 9th gen seat using some steel plate that we got from like Home Depot, and ultimately just making a new base for the rails to sit on that bolt right into the car.
Fuck this shit up.
Here's the final results. Chairs bolted in, new floor mats put in. I think it looks pretty fucking good. But let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, hit the subscribe, or DM me on Instagram or something. But yeah, looking forward to hearing what you guys think about this. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.